Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventures. In this lesson, we will learn to spell and read words with a long vowel A. Come and spell with me. Repeat after me. Cake. C-A-K-E. Let's spell the word one more time. C-A-K-E. Cake. Let's read the sentence. The cake is sweet. The cake is sweet. Lake. L-A-K-E. Let's spell that again. L-A-K-E. Lake. Read the sentence after me. The lake is big. The lake is big. Bake. B-A-K-E. Let's say that again. B-A-K-E. Bake. Let's read the sentence. Mom bakes a cake. Mom bakes a cake. Rake. R-A-K-E. Let's spell the word again. R-A-K-E. Rake. Let's use rake in a sentence. This is a rake. This is a rake. Game. G-A-M-E. Let's say that again. G-A-M-E. Game. Read the sentence after me. The kids play a game. The kids play a game. Name. N-A-M-E. Let's spell the word again. N-A-M-E. Name. Let's read the sentence. His name is Gab. His name is Gab. Lame. L A M E. Let's say that again. L A M E. Lame. Let's read the sentence. The girl is lame. The girl is lame. Vase. V A S E. Let's spell the word again. V A S E. Vase. Let's read the sentence. The vase is big. The vase is big. Case. C A S E. Let's say that again. C A S E. Case. Read the sentence after me. The case is full of bottles. The case is full of bottles. Cage. C A G E. Let's spell the word again. C A G E. Cage. Let's use cage in a sentence. The bird is in a cage. The bird is in a cage. Cane. C A N E. Let's spell the word one more time. C A N E. Cane. Now let's read the sentence. The old man uses a cane. The old man uses a cane. Sail. S A L E. Let's spell the word again. S A L E. Sail. Let's read the sentence. The bags are on sale. The bags are on sale. Maze. M A Z E. Let's say that again. M A Z E. Maze. Let's read the sentence. They have to go through the maze. They have to go through the maze. Pail. P A L E. Let's spell the word one more time. P A L E. Pail. Let's read the sentence. The man looks pale. The man looks pale. Face. F A C E. Let's spell the word again. F A C E. Face. Now let's use face in a sentence. She has a pretty face. She has a pretty face. Awesome job, children! Remember to always practice so you can read and spell well. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe.